In this video we will see how to install Jitsi for Mac. So guys, if you want to install and download your Jitsi video configuration in Mac, so guys it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you simply go and search for the Jitsi for Mac. Okay, if you are a Mac user, if you are a Windows user, so you simply search for the desktop. Now here you see this is the official website where you can download your Jitsi. Okay, so go here and click here. Jitsi Meet. Okay, you go here, free video configuration app, go for downloads. So guys, here you see that it is available on the mobile application on its official website, but if you want it to join, so you just go here. Okay, but for download you just go here, and guys here you see this is for Mac. You just go here and click here, and you can click and you can download and install. Okay, here you see your Jitsi app, and your app now it is installed in your application. It will take few seconds. Now simply go download, and here you see in the section of J, this is your Jitsi. Okay, so this is the way that you can download, but on the official website it is not available. So you need to write dex.jitsi.org where you can download it easily. Okay, here this is a simple way that you can download and install. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you, and guys here you can contact me.